Are you in the market for a reliable, high-performing car that won't let you down? Whether you're looking for a sleek sedan, a rugged truck, or a family-friendly SUV, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll count down the top 10 cars that are built to last, combining durability, style, and performance. These vehicles are perfect for 2025 and beyond, offering cutting-edge technology, luxurious interiors, and impressive power. Let's dive into the list and find your next dream car. Number 1. Toyota Corolla. Cross. The Toyota Corolla Cross is a compact SUV that combines affordability with reliability. Priced around $27,000, it's a budget-friendly option for those seeking a versatile vehicle. The exterior features a sleek, modern design with sharp lines and a bold grille. Inside, the cabin is spacious and well-equipped with high-quality materials and a user-friendly infotainment system. Under the hood, the Corolla Cross delivers a smooth ride with its 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 169 horsepower. With Toyota's reputation for durability, this SUV is a top choice for anyone looking for a dependable daily driver. Number 2. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 continues to dominate the compact SUV market, and for good reason. Starting at $29,000, it offers excellent value for money. The exterior boasts a rugged, adventurous look, perfect for both city streets and off-road trails. Inside, the RAV4 features a comfortable, tech-savvy interior with plenty of cargo space. Performance-wise, it comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine generating 203 horsepower, paired with an optional hybrid variant for better fuel efficiency. Known for its longevity and low maintenance costs, the RAV4 is a solid investment for 2025. Number 3. Audi Q3. For those seeking luxury and reliability, the Audi Q3 is a standout choice. With a starting price of $37,000, this compact SUV offers a premium experience. The exterior is sleek and sophisticated, with Audi's signature grille and LED lighting. Inside, the Q3 impresses with its high-end materials, virtual cockpit, and spacious seating. Performance is equally impressive thanks to its 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that delivers 228 horsepower. Combining elegance with durability, the Audi Q3 is perfect for drivers who want a touch of luxury without compromising on reliability. Number 4. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot is a mid-size SUV designed for families who need space and dependability. Priced at around $40,000, it offers excellent value for its size. The exterior is bold and muscular with a commanding presence on the road. Inside, the Pilot features a roomy, 3-row cabin with premium materials and advanced tech features. Under the hood, a 3.5-liter V6 engine provides 285 horsepower, ensuring a smooth and powerful ride. With Honda's reputation for building long-lasting vehicles, the Pilot is a top contender for 2025. Number 5. Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 is a compact car that punches above its weight in terms of style and performance. Starting at $25,000, it's an affordable option for those who want a sporty yet reliable vehicle. The exterior is sleek and aerodynamic, with Mazda's signature Kodo design language. Inside, the Mazda 3 offers a luxurious cabin with high-quality materials and a user-friendly infotainment system. Performance-wise, it comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 191 horsepower, delivering a fun and engaging driving experience. If you're looking for a car that's both stylish and dependable, the Mazda 3 is a great choice. Number 6. Nissan Rogue. The Nissan Rogue is a popular compact SUV known for its comfort and reliability. With a starting price of $28,000, it's an excellent option for families. The exterior features a modern, streamlined design with bold accents. Inside, the Rogue offers a spacious, well-appointed cabin with premium materials and advanced safety features. Under the hood, a 1.5-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine provides 201 horsepower, ensuring a smooth and efficient ride. With its combination of practicality and durability, the Nissan Rogue is a smart pick for 2025. Number 7, Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV. For those who want the ultimate in luxury and reliability, the Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV is a top-tier choice. Starting at $105,000, it's a premium electric SUV that doesn't compromise on performance. The exterior is futuristic and elegant with a sleek aerodynamic profile. Inside, the EQS SUV offers a lavish cabin with cutting-edge technology, including a massive hyperscreen and luxurious seating. Performance is exceptional, with dual electric motors delivering up to 536 horsepower and a range of over 300 miles. If you're looking for a high-end, reliable electric SUV, the EQS is hard to beat. Number 8, 2025 Hyundai Palisade. The 2025 Hyundai Palisade is a midsize SUV that combines luxury, space, and reliability. Priced at around $37,000, it's a great value for families. The exterior features a bold, sophisticated design with a striking front grille and LED lighting. Inside, the Palisade offers a spacious, 3-row cabin with premium materials and advanced tech features. Under the hood, a 3.8-liter V6 engine provides 291 horsepower, ensuring a smooth and powerful ride. With its combination of style, comfort, and durability, the Palisade is a top choice for 2025. Number 9, Ford F-150. The Ford F-150 is America's best-selling truck for a reason. Starting at $35,000, it's a versatile and reliable workhorse. The exterior is rugged and muscular with a commanding presence on the road. Inside, the F-150 offers a spacious, tech-filled cabin with high-quality materials and advanced features. Performance options include a range of engines from a 3.3-liter V6 to a powerful 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, delivering up to 400 horsepower. Known for its durability and towing capacity, the F-150 is a top pick for anyone needing a dependable truck in 2025. Number 10, Honda Accord. The Honda Accord is a mid-size sedan that continues to set the standard for reliability and performance. Priced at around $28,000, it's an excellent value for those seeking a comfortable and efficient car. The exterior is sleek and modern with a refined design. Inside, the Accord offers a spacious, well-appointed cabin with premium materials and advanced tech features. Under the hood, a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine provides 192 horsepower, ensuring a smooth and efficient ride. With its reputation for longevity and low maintenance costs, the Accord is a smart choice for 2025. And there you have it, the top 10 cars that never break down and are perfect for 2025. Whether you're looking for a compact SUV, a luxurious electric vehicle, or a rugged truck, this list has something for everyone. These vehicles combine reliability, performance, and style, making them excellent investments for the future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.